it's Saijia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, it's going to be a little different. So I actually just did a little chit chat, chill, and draw with me. I actually don't know what I'm going to call this yet, but the main gist is that we're drawing together. So I basically just did some like drawing. I actually recently got into like drawing, so I did some little different type of drawing before, and then I would also like practice doing different like sketches. So for example, I would do this thing where I turn myself into a cartoon character, but I do the basic outline of a cartoon character that already exists, do that outline, and then just like add some key features that I have, like my skin color, my hair, and all that stuff. But I just recently got into doing like some drawing and sketches by hand, which I'll put here. Then I'll put my little talking thing in the little corner. So this is what I'm doing right here. I kind of showed you guys two different techniques for filming. So one, I just showed you guys like me actually drawing on my iPad with a different camera, and then the other one is like a screen recording that you'll see later. I don't know which one I'm putting first, but whatever one you're seeing right now was obviously the one that I did first. Yeah, that's what this video is, and I'm pretty excited but also nervous because I know that the drawings aren't perfect, and I'm never claiming to be, and I also was just a little bit like nervous and anxious about that because I was like, oh, these aren't perfect, they have little imperfections, oh, like mine looks different than other people's. And I am just like showing you guys this not only because like these are kind of like some of my beginner sketches. I mean, I've been doing this for like probably like a month, like every night for a month, just making different OCs, like original characters, different girls, just drawing different things and stuff like that. So I've been doing that, and I really like it, and it really like calms me, you know, like calms my anxiety and my depression. It just makes me feel a little bit better. But like I said, I was nervous because I felt like maybe it wasn't perfect, or there was things that were different than other people's. Maybe the proportions were a little bit off, and stuff like that. And like my drawing style is different than other people's, but that's just the thing. Drawing styles are unique to each person, so that's what I kept just telling myself, and that's what made me like post this video. Is like I want to show you guys, one, I want to keep doing this video like here and there, everything. Maybe I'll start doing like bodies. I'll get better at doing bodies and stuff like that, and I'll just post different drawing videos. If you guys like this video, I'll post different ones and we can see my progression over my drawing and stuff. But I also wanted to show you guys that everyone's drawing style is different, and like I said, I felt very insecure about the way that everything looked and stuff. And like I said, I know it's not perfect, but it's my drawing style, so I am choosing to feel happy about it for right now, and choosing to feel like it's good enough for the stage that I am in my drawing process. And yeah, I like doing it, so that's something that gives me like peace, I guess, if I wanted to, for lack of a better word. And also I know like some things could be better. Like I don't know why I chose to pick up my vlogging like phone. I use a phone to vlog and record because I was drawing at night, but I think you can still see the iPad pretty good, so I don't really like think I'd want to not post it because I think you can still see the main part of it good, but the other background is just like dark, and I thought that was funny looking, but I like didn't mind, and I think that you guys will like still be able to see the drawing. I have been loving drawing videos recently, so I was like, okay, let's see if I can like dip my toe in this. I've been like doing some drawings and stuff like that. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. Basically everything else that I said is a big part going into it. And like I said, yeah, the first one that I did try out a different like eye shape, and like even if you haven't ever seen anyone with these eye shapes, I'm still just trying out different things, seeing what I like, trying to do different things like that. And I feel like you can never be too adventurous when it comes to art, because worst comes to worst, you can literally just erase it, or like especially on an iPad, literally swipe over and hit delete. Like it's not that big of a deal. So I would just like learn that being adventurous is fun for me when it comes to like doing different face shapes and stuff like that. The noses are all pretty similar. I've been working on trying to do different nose styles and stuff like that. But I chalk it up to being like, oh, this is just like my style. Like, yeah, they all look kind of similar, but like my art style is blah. Not saying that I'm an artist by any means. No, like, no. But I just wanted to show you guys that like you can still have fun, even though like your art is different than other people's, and like Like I said, maybe the proportions are off, but that's just my art style. Like, I think that I will get better over time, but for now, I think my art style will pretty much stay the same, but hopefully get better over time and stuff like that. I don't want this to be like a big thing, but I just like have a new hobby and I want to show other people that hobby because I really like watching these videos, and I'm like, maybe other people will like watching these type of videos too, especially from someone who hasn't perfected the whole art thing, the drawing thing, digital art, all the other stuff. You'll see I'll make a few mistakes in this video because it's literally just Procreate and I know the basics, like literally just the basics, and I'm just like, I feel like this is a good way to show people like you can still do art, not that this art, but you can still have fun and do things that feel good to you even if you don't know all this extravagant stuff, because it's very easy sometimes to watch other art videos and like think like, oh, I don't have enough knowledge to do that, oh blah blah blah, or blah 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 blah. Like literally just get Procreate, an iPad, and a pencil. It doesn't even have to be an Apple Pencil. Get whatever. Like my iPad is literally so old. Like I think it's from like 2014, and then I have like the first generation Apple Pencil. Or pick up like a regular pencil and a pad of paper. Like you can do, like you don't have to be a certain type of skill level to start doing stuff that you love and try new things. So I feel like that's something that I've learned with like recently doing this thing. And like I said, just remember that everybody's art style is different, so don't feel bad if your art doesn't look like other people's art. And yeah, I'm not really going for a realistic looking, like a, what is the word I'm looking for, like a hyper realistic drawing. Is that what I'm trying to say, where it looks exactly like a certain person? Like I said, first of all, I just came up with these faces. Like I just put these things together randomly. Like I didn't look at a picture for the facial features. I just kind of threw them together. So obviously it's not supposed to like look like anyone in particular. Also, guys, if you look like any of these drawings that I did, I only did 2 in this video, but I'll do more later on. Tag me in a picture of you, or like let me know down below, because I'm gonna do like a TikTok thing where I put my drawings together and be like, oh, like comment if you look like my drawing, like if I accidentally drew you, because I think that's so funny. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna stop rambling. I just wanted to say those few little things, and yeah, I'll stop rambling and let you guys enjoy the rest of this drawing video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know down below what you thought of it. Let me know if you think I should do more of these videos. Like I said throughout the video, just try to keep in mind that like this is just for fun. I'm not trying to be an artist or anything like that by any means, but I just was doing something that feels good to me and that I've been doing a lot recently, and I just wanted to show you guys because like I said, I love these videos, and for all the things that I said in the beginning, I just really want to show that you don't have to be perfect at something to love doing it, and just do it and show other people. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. Also, if you look like any of the people that I drew, please tag me on Instagram or any of my other social medias because I am dying to see. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.